I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin right now. Sign into your Google account and open Blogger. Once signed in, click Create New Blog and enter a concise title and address. Pick a Blogspot subdomain or connect a custom domain. Make sure to select a simple template to start. You can refine it later. Upload your logo and set your profile. You're taking action, so save the blog and open settings. Verify your email and default language so posts display correctly. You now build structure and content. Go to Layout to add or remove gadgets, drag header, sidebar, and footer into the desired order and click Save. Then open Pages to create About, Contact, and Privacy pages. Link them in the navbar so visitors find essentials. Next, write 2 posts. Add images, use H2 headings, apply labels for categories, and set SEO-friendly permalinks. Once drafts look right, preview mobile and desktop. You finish by connecting a custom domain if you have one. Update DNS with the provided CNAME and a records, then verify in Blogger. Propagation can take hours. Next, open search preferences to add meta description, custom robots, TXT, and enable a sitemap for indexing. Make sure comment settings match your moderation preference and link social accounts for promotion. If something breaks, clear cache, check DNS propagation, and resave templates. That usually resolves template or domain issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.